An old palace, a city bike ride, and new friends. We're on an 800 kilometers bike trip across Vietnam, and this is John and Fern.
Hi there, this is George. Welcome to a brand new series of John and Fern. I'm here now in Hanoi, the capital city of Vietnam, for a bike adventure. So it's 5 a.m. in the morning now. Let's go do a morning ride. As you can see, it's very early in the morning. The security guard is sleeping now.
In this series of John and Fern, I'm riding 800 kilometers across Vietnam. The country has more than 10 million bicycles, and the edges of roads throughout Vietnam are reserved for bicycles. So the best way to explore the country is by bike, as you can cover more ground while still being open to meet new people and stop wherever you want. This is my first time in Vietnam, and for the first day of my journey, I start in Hanoi, Vietnam's capital, and ride 70 kilometers to Phu Ly. Hanoi is known for its unique mix of colonial and Vietnamese architecture and a rich culture with Chinese influence. After a few kilometers ride, I arrive at the gates of the old Dang Long Palace.
So I have arrived to the north gate of the palace. So you can see how this gate survived from the cannon fire. It's amazing. And also you can tell how Chinese culture, how Chinese architecture affect Vietnam culture, Vietnam architecture. You can even see Chinese character over there. Amazing. Love it.
Before I continue my journey, I need to get some food.
So I just had my breakfast. I guess I only used like 3 minutes to finish the whole bowl of noodles. It's because I want to make sure my bike is safe. So one thing that really bothered me during this adventure is how to keep my bike safe. It's very dangerous to park your bike on the street, so you must find a restaurant which has window seat so that you can look after your bike inside the restaurant.
Hanoi is not really a cycle-friendly city. The drivers and the motorcyclists are impatient and they keep beeping their horns at me. It can be frustrating if you're used to quieter roads, but you soon get used to it. After a 4-hour ride, I decide to take a break at a coffee shop by the road.
So it's 25 more kilometers to Phu Ly. So in Western country, they have coffee break. In Asian country, we have milk tea break. So I tried to order a bubble tea, but they give me this instead. Not bad. So I met a very friendly family, and then I took a Polaroid for them. Very cool. Vietnam, Hong Kong. Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm now on my last 15 kilometers to Phu Ly now. I have to put on my sunglasses because the road are very dusty, lots of sands and little stones. But the road itself is very flat, not much ups and downs, which is very good. So let's keep going. So I have just arrived in Phu Ly, 70 kilometers and finished in 6 hours. Not so bad for an amateur like me, but I have to say the traffic in Vietnam is just terrible and horrible. The only traffic rule they follow is they all wear a helmet, so you know how scary it is to drive or ride in Vietnam. I'm so glad that I'm still alive. This is just my first day of my bike adventure. I will be riding to Da Nang, finishing the remaining 700-ish kilometers in the next few days. So please stay tuned, follow us, subscribe us, like our videos. My name is George, and this is John and Fern.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.